Hi guys, how are you doing? As I promised you, when I receive the Weber for I will be show you how to change the rear Weber for the Toyota Highlander. It's very easy and we can save some money. We have two things should be do it to change this. First of all, this way, just remove this cover. When remove this cover, because if you don't remove it, it's difficult to move just remove this cover. This is the first point. The second point, now if you come in this way, the second thing is just put your hand here and the another hand in this way and push it slowly and remove it and show you. This is the channel. This part should be go here in this channel. That's the first thing. This is the new one. If you order it online, it's cheaper than this. Is the new one. As I show you, put this part is not one way. Don't make sure it's one way. It's done. Just can buy the cover and it's done. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.